Okay, I'm just showing this as an idea of a nice link from the sort of adventure game we're going to write using Python to higher level professional games. Uh, this one's something called Little Big Adventure 2. It was made back in the year 2000, uh, and it actually demonstrates some of the things we can do fairly straightforward. First thing is I'm in a location where each of these areas is pretty much a position on the map, and there are things and people there. Now, we're not going to animate people, we're not going to give those. I'm not looking to get into that, although I might do it if we want to make a CCA next year. So, just a quick idea in the game. So I'm talking to somebody, first stage, that person saying, oh, yeah, I've got to go and setting me on mission, telling me I've got to go and see the, look after a dino outside. And I'm going to get a nice little kiss. Ding! There we go. So now I've got to go off and look round. I've got things in the room. I can move freely around the room, but when I try to get to bed, no, I'm not allowed to go back to bed. It's not on. So if I move around the room, there's various objects. Some objects I can interact with. So let's see, is there something in this cupboard? Oh, look, I've been given some money. So I could, somewhere in the game, they're going to be tracking the available money. This corner, I get, oh, I've got myself a key. Well, if I've got a key, maybe I can try a locked door. There you go, door's opened, I can go through now. Things to look at, so in this location, press the action. And I can now see and interact with various bits and pieces. When I get to this barrel, there's actually an object there. So let's collect it, it's something I need. So when I'm outside, I need, what it's told me though is I need something else to activate that ball. So I can throw the ball normally, but let's see, do I have to be aggressive to throw the ball? Oops. Let's go here. Obviously I've got somewhere to target. Let's try. Can I fire that? Like that. Maybe probably normal mode. There we go. Throw the ball. And see, new column to the game tracks life, so I can cut out that extra life. There's more objects down here, so I can come and collect them. So I've got some darts. Can't collect the plates. Oh, I'm not able to collect the tomato to throw at the bad guy. He's the bad guy for the game. So this is the sort of idea of what we're going to write with the Python game. Is you've got a character that can move around in a space, follow certain rules, and what they're going to try and do is interact with various things, get messages. So some characters can give them a message telling them they need to get on with something, go and do something else, and I can go away, try interacting with things, and we need to say how things interact. And that's the sort of game we're going to build up, but we're going to do it purely in text.